Hello and welcome to my second haul. My Zara haul did so well and you guys were absolutely loving it, so I wanted to do another one really quick. I'm headed to Palm Springs for my bachelorette. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see my sister and my friends and just have a last hurrah before I settle down. Just kidding. I picked up some things that are more for spring from Aritzia. I wanted to show you guys them and try them on for you and just kind of like talk you guys through them. That's what you really seemed to like in the last video. Let's get started. So the first thing is this very cute pineapple shirt. This is from Sunday Best from Aritzia. I'm wearing it with some Citizens of Humanities jeans. These are the Dree crop and they're very comfortable. They're kind of vintage inspired. They are quite pricey. I am aware that Citizens of Humanity is pricey, but they are by far my favorite jean company. They last so well. I've had my Leah jeans for over 5 years and they just keep getting softer and more flattering, and I just love them. They're definitely an investment and I'm absolutely aware of that, but I really think they're flattering and they're my favorite. Ooh, ooh. There you go, outfit one. Oh, and I guess I should let you guys know about these necklaces. This one right here is from Pamela Card. She's a Vancouver-based designer. She makes beautiful stuff. This is Leah Alexandra, who is also a Vancouver-based jewelry designer. What else do we have here? This one is from Lizbeth, who is Toronto-based, originally from Vancouver. I gotta rep the Canadian girls. This last one is my choker from Zoe Chico. All right, next up we have this long kind of trench, what the British call matte coat. It is a really gorgeous dark green. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's a little bit like a raincoat, but I would venture to say that it is a much chicer raincoat. The back looks like this, and I just rolled up the sleeves. This one is a size 1. It is very oversized, so just know that. And then underneath I have on this kind of tube crop top, which some may say I am too old for, but I really don't believe in dressing for your age. Super comfy. I really like not wearing a bra, especially in the summer. And sorry if that's too much information. I think it looks really cute with high-waisted things. I would never wear this top with a low-waisted bottom. I think it would just look incredibly tasteless. But I have to say that I really like this whole outfit in general. These are the Zara slides that I showed you guys in my last haul. You guys might think I'm a little bit crazy for this, but I think this is so cute. It's called the Howley shirt. It's from Community at Aritzia. You know, they have a ton of different in-house brands. I just feel like it would be perfect with like jean shorts or jeans or whatever. Could even undo this actually and just kind of go like that. I have another linen shirt from Community. If you guys have seen my Instagram from Florida, it's like a linen Community shirt and it's super oversized, so I got like an extra small, but it is perfect for vacation. I wear only that with the sleeves rolled up to the pool, and then you can also wear it with jean shorts or jeans or whatever. It's super comfortable, and because it has linen in it, it can kind of wrinkle and still look good, so it travels really well. So I'm kind of thinking I'll use this one in a similar way. Why don't I put on some shorts and show you guys how it'll look. This is what it looks like with jean shorts. I would just kind of unbutton it quite low. You could wear it just with a little bralette or your bathing suit or whatever. I would probably just wear it with sneakers. These are my new, fairly new, Nike Blazer sneakers. They've got like a red swoosh on the side. They're kind of retro-y. So I think that's what I would wear with this shirt, or just flip-flops. This kind of millennial pink hoodie, or I guess paler than millennial pink, is WILFRED free. This is a size extra small, just because it tends to fit a little bit big. It's pretty thin, but it kind of like feels a little bit worn in the best way. The fabric is just like perfectly worn. So then I have it on with these sweats, which are from Sunday Best from Aritzia. Oh, I don't have the tag on anymore. So I just wanted to update you guys. In my previous video, I tried on some sweatpants from Zara. They were kind of like knit. They were sweatpants, but you could kind of get away with wearing them out. And I wore them like 2 or 3 times, and they wore so poorly. They looked super old. The fabric just wore so much. They were pilling. It was awful, and they were $50. I returned them to Zara and was like, I've worn these like twice and the quality's awful. So I just wanted to give you an update on that. They look so cute on, but after you wear them like once, they just look like shit. So that's unfortunate, but I ended up getting these black sweatpants from Sunday Best. It's nice for me to have some cute pieces that are super comfy, that I can wear when I'm working at home and just have to like run out or anything. I've just put my army green coat on over this pink sweater, and then I'm just wearing jeans and my Nike Blazer runners, and it's just kind of like a casual weekend airplane outfit. I really like the super pale pink with the really dark army green. I think it looks really cute. Okay, are you guys blind yet? I just could not leave the store without something in this color. I think it's amazing. So I would just wear this outfit, exactly what I'm wearing right now, with just my sneakers, jeans, and this hoodie. I'm very into the like athletic, casual vibe right now. This is an extra, extra small. I could have gone one size up to an extra small, but just so you know, it's pretty oversized. This color just made me happy. This is super random, but Aritzia has really good socks, which I know sounds hilarious, but they don't stretch out too much and they're like quite a low ankle sock. For some reason, I'm really picky about my socks, and I really like these. And I also have actually just ordered their no-show sock, which is they're not ankle socks, they're like the little socket things. Are they called sockets? So this is the last thing. This is a Nike shirt, kind of like a crop shirt from Aritzia. And I just wanted to mention that Aritzia has really good Nike and Adidas stuff. They kind of curate it really well, and I haven't seen this shirt anywhere else, but I don't wear it on a daily basis, although you could. I wear it to the gym. It's super soft and I really like it. I love the color too. All right, so I just wanted to show you 2 pieces from White and Warren. This is actually a cashmere t-shirt. I might even tuck it into my jeans. Super, super soft, not at all itchy, and so comfortable. And last but not least, this kind of oversized, well, not really oversized, really gorgeous oatmeal cashmere sweater from White and Warren. This is a size small, just for reference. I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. I didn't want it to be tight, but I do find that White and Warren fits maybe a little bit big. This is so comfortable. I loved the color. I think it's such a gorgeous oatmeal color that pretty much goes with everything. I was gonna try and set up my tripod and kind of like have it beside the mirror facing me, but the lighting just didn't work out. But if you would prefer me to do these videos like that instead of like holding the camera in my hand, just because it's not 100% steady, obviously. Just kidding. My God, I can't believe I laughed at that. Let me know. I'm having a lot of fun doing these haul videos, so if you have any specific brands that you want me to look at or any specific pieces, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know what your favorite piece was. What are you excited to wear this summer? Or spring, it's not summer yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.